right? Hey, I want to show you quick what happens if you forget to push the max lens button. And I also want to show you what happens here when you approach deer with your one wheel. They really don't know what to think. They think, what? So that is if you forgot to push the button, it's gonna look this way. That is what it looks like when you forget to push the max lens mode button. And it looks like this. I have to get off my board quick because I'm standing on it wrong. So that's what the same chip looks like with this setting now. So as you can see, it is important that you don't forget to push the button. There's a short brief video that shows how this works.